Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you are subscribed so you get to see all the neat little videos that I put out. Today is a very special day because I am cleaning the house, and some days I'm okay with cleaning, most days I'm like, ugh. So if you're like, ugh, then this is the video for you. Today I'm going to try out some Pinterest cleaning hacks that I have dug up, and I'm going to see if they help me work smarter, not harder, which is always the goal. And if they do, then you can try them. Look, I've already been cleaning. Look, dirty. I lost my train of thought because it's all my dirty sleeve. If you have any tips or tricks that you have found on Pinterest or from your great grandma or from your baby's mama's cousin, then please share them in the comments, because I always love to learn new tips to make cleaning easier, makes your life easier because you get done quicker, you don't have to scrub as hard, and that's always a plus. So if you want to see some Pinterest hacks for cleaning, then make sure to keep watching this video, and if you find it entertaining, then please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so for this Pinterest cleaning hack, this is going to be for a dirty microwave, and as you can see, I've got some stuff stuck on that I could not get out with my regular cleaning product, so I'm going to try this one I found on Pinterest. And you will need a microwave safe dish. I just use this measuring cup that I have. It's pretty large, but it'll do the trick. That way I can measure out my ingredients. So a half a cup of water, and then there was two different recipes online. I call them recipes, I guess, ingredient lists. But one was with lemon juice and one was with vinegar. And you know, I'm just all about the excess, so I'm going to add them both, and that way I'll have a doubly clean microwave. So half a cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon, or maybe it was a tablespoon. Anyways, I'm just going to drop some of this in since I'm making my own thing. We're going to heat it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and then it should just wipe clean with no scrubbing required. Let's try it. I just added the vinegar, and boy howdy is it strong. I'm just going to give a generous little pour, maybe a little more, the lemon juice. And I've got my little turning tray already pulled out. I usually just stick it in the dishwasher after I scrub it really good. So now I'm going to put for 5. Clean the outside while I'm waiting. Alright, see you in 5. So I decided while the microwave was cleaning, I was going to clean my stove. And I have in the past used this cooktop cleaner that I got at Ross for $3.99, as you can see. And I mean, it did okay at first, but now there's like some burn on stuff that it's just not taking off, and it drives me insane. So, per Pinterest, you can apply baking soda and then lemon juice on top of it, and then you let it sit. Oh, my microwave's done cleaning itself. So anyways, after you let this sit, then a few minutes later you can come and wipe it up with a sponge, and it will look brand spanking new. So we're going to give that a try, but first I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my microwave. God, I hate the smell of vinegar. So first things first, I'm going to put my glove on here. Make sure that you don't drop it. So I use something so I don't burn my hand. I'm going to pull my stool up here because I know I can't reach my microwave to clean it without it. This will now go into the, what's that thing called, the dishwasher. And wiping out pretty good. I'm going to set down my camera so I can actually see what I'm doing, and I will show you afterwards. Alright, so it did clean. I wouldn't say it was like no scrubbing. I would say forceful pressure. I didn't really have to scrub, just some places need a little more pressure than others. But I mean, I couldn't even get those spots to budge before, and now they are gone. So I'll take forceful pressure any day over sitting there trying to scrape away. So we're going to call this one a win. Alright, so I'm going to take my baking soda, and whoa, that was a lot. Sprinkle it all over. And I might have to just mix this out with my hands. I'm just going to cover the whole thing. Got some little clumpies there. Oh, that's not working. Let's just use the whole box. Whoops. And now we will add the lemon juice. And you know what? I'm going to actually try and use this little mixture we just used in the microwave and see what happens. Okay, we're getting the steaming action that we were looking for. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to have to add a little bit more. Straight lemon juice seems to be getting a bigger reaction. It's like a little experiment. Alright, we're going to let this sit and then I'll come back and scrub. Okay, so my next two tips have to do with this beast right here. See all that stuff on the bottom that didn't burn off with the self-clean? Yeah, that needs to come off. And then this door looks atrocious. So for the door, what was recommended by Pinterest people is a magic eraser. But I bought these at the Dollar Tree, so hopefully the Scrub Buddy works just as good. So I'm going to wet one and start scrubbing. Alright, so I'm sitting on my stool so I don't break my back. I have my wet, what's it called, a Scrub Buddy / Magic Eraser knockoff, and I'm about to see if this works. I mean, it's turning black, but Oh, we have some removal going on. You just have to scrub. Alright, you can stop for a minute. Okay, so I had to scrub the hell out of this glass. Look at my fingernail. I have suffered consequences from this. And it was coming up with my Scrub Buddy. It may have worked better with a real magic eraser, whatever it's called. But because I was scrubbing so hard, I said, work smarter, not harder. So I took some of the paste that is sitting on my stovetop cleaning it, and I brought it down here, and guess what? It worked. I still had to scrub some places, but you can't really see because it's wet, but it is clean. There are no black marks on it. If I could get it really dry, you would see. See if I can you tell? It's clean. Now I need to clean the outside. Hey! But anyways, I'm gonna call that one a modified win. I would say try a magic eraser, and if you do the cleaning like I did, go for a microwave, use the liquid on your stove, then use the paste on your glass. You can just keep reusing that same stuff, and it's worked. So now the next project is to clean the oven, and we are going to use ammonia and water to do that, and it will clean overnight. So I will show you how to do that now. So once it got dry, I used a glass cleaner, and I'm wiping that off still. Because there was like a powdery substance left from the baking soda. So I used the glass cleaner and it cleaned it. And you can see there's like no black left on there anymore. Just some streaks that I'm working on getting off. But I thought I would update. I cannot find my ammonia, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this stove. I've got my scrubbing buddy back out. And I'm just going to start swirling this around, scrubbing it. I can already tell that there aren't any like stiff places like there were. You know how you scrub and you can feel like a little ridge or something? Well, here's one. Come through, scrub buddy. Okay, it's gone. So some places may need just a little extra help. But for the overall part, it is working. This looks disgusting. Sounds pretty gross too, right? Okay, let's see if I can work on this just a little more. I'll come back. I need 2 hands. Please excuse my streaks, but this took off some of the stuff. I've got my cleaner on here. I haven't wiped it all off good. There's still some places that I couldn't scrub up. So I'm going to have to call this a fail because I'm going to have to go back on Pinterest and find some other thing to try. I mean, it did take off some of them. It looks better than it did once I get all these cleaner off. I was letting it sit for just a second. And that was just my regular oven top cleaner I was trying to use on top of it. But you can see there's still some places. So I'm going to call that a fail. And I'm still looking for my ammonia. I may be out. Alright, so I can't find my ammonia. I think I might be out. I'm going to have to go get some. But it's 1 a.m. and I'm tired. So I'm just going to go to bed and call this cleaning night over for now. If you know any tips or tricks that work on the things that I'm still struggling with, or if you have any non-chemical solutions that you use in your home, please let me know. I'm going to go on Pinterest and try to find some more. Sorry, I'm shaking. My hand's like tired. But I'm also going to be looking for laundry and bathroom, bedroom. Pinterest has stuff for everything in your life. You hold it with my right hand. And I have a Pinterest board for everything. So we've had some hits and misses tonight, but we'll keep working and find more hits and misses until we get this cleaning routine all the way turned up and all the hard work turned down. So, I hope you had a great time learning these tips with me. And remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, then shut your glam mouth and go to bed, because it's 1 a.m. Good night.